You might use the right hashtag, you might use the right title for your video, you might even make sure that your video is value packed. But if you are lacking behind on some important crucial things, then you're still going to be missing out with the visibility. See, YouTube is all about testing, testing, testing. There are sometimes that you might be using one particular format maybe for too long and you're not getting that visibility. What most small YouTubers fail to understand is that is the right time for you to switch and try another format. But some of us know we still keep using that particular format even despite the low visibility. So right now in this video, I'm going to be breaking them down to you, some of the things you need to pay attention and start doing right now, and it's going to boost your video visibility, because that was how I was able to boost mine also. Okay, so try best to make sure you pay attention. And with that much being said, let's delve straight into the video. So here is why your videos don't perform despite being able to work on every single details concerning the video. So I'm going to be actually revealing to us four important things that you need to start paying attention more to now, the minute you post a video, in order for you to get that visibility. And here is what most of us get it all wrong. The minute you upload your video, it's not in the hand of YouTube algorithm itself to push out your video for your video to go viral. No, it actually lies in the hand of your audience, your viewers. Are people clicking and watching that video? Are people clicking on the video and out of maybe clickbait or maybe anything, they they skip immediately? So these are some of the important details that you need to check out if you're constantly uploading videos here, because once this particular act occurs, the YouTube algorithm automatically sees the video as maybe less performing content, or oh, people are not enjoying this kind of content, so why the need to keep pushing it over to people? And I think at this point you should be able to understand that your visibility is no longer in the hands of the YouTube algorithm. So now, what are the things that I need to start doing, at least for my video, to get the right visibility? There are a lot of things you need to do, okay, but these are the most important ones you need to pay attention to. Number one is your hook. Your hook is actually what make a viewer click on your content. You might have the perfect title or the perfect thumbnail, like attractive thumbnail, but if people are clicking in and clicking off immediately, that video is going to underperform. So you have to learn how to work on your video hook. It's not all that difficult. See, any niche at all you are, you really need to learn how to use your hook the right way. The way you use your hook on a sit down video is not the same way you use it for a vlog. It's not the same way you also use it for a motivational video. Even if it's a faceless prayer video, that is for the first 10 to 15 to 20 seconds of your video intro, were you able to grab the attention of viewers? So just try your best to make sure you can go ahead and maybe start making your research videos on how to work on a video hook, or how I can better my video hook. If you're constantly making use of one particular hook pattern, feel free to always change it. Just like as I said earlier on from this particular video, do not always stick to one particular thing on YouTube here. No, your audience keep changing from time to time. Your main viewers who watched your channel 3 months ago, they are not still the same set of people still watching your content now. So what works that time might as well not work now. Have you seen it? So try your best to always keep testing new things. Okay, now another thing you need to also pay attention to is your video retention. Retention is what actually makes a video to perform wella. On my channel lately, I think for the past 2 months, some of my videos that if it was before that are meant to remain on 600 views, they do not stay on that views anymore. Now the second thing you need to make sure you pay attention to is your audience retention. See, gone are the days whereby people just click on your video, and for the fact they click on your video, that video is going to go viral. Or that is why you check, sometimes you have a very high impression but your views is actually very very low. Now when you have a very high impression, for example, let's say for a video with 10 views you're having 1,000 impression, that is crazy. You're having 2,000 impression It's actually a good news and also a bad news. The good part of it is that okay, at least people are seeing your content. YouTube is trying their best to keep showing it to people. But for you to have 10 views, it's bad. It's bad because it's actually too low. Imagine 1,000 people seeing that your content, coming across it maybe once, twice, I don't know. But out of that 1,000, only 10 managed to click on that video to watch. Now, after the 10 people click on the video to watch, try to also check out your retention, the average view duration. Is it low? If it is a 10-minute video and you're having a 1 minute as average view duration, or even 2 minutes, it's actually very, very low, which means people are not enjoying your content. And all these little details, they are what YouTube use when pushing out and recommending your videos to more viewers. So have you seen that you actually have a lot of work to put in your videos? And do not get me wrong, all this whole thing, they do not happen overnight. No, it's just you constantly trying to get better with your upload. There were times on this my channel, I will upload some 15 minutes video and I'll be seeing 2 minutes as my average view duration. Why? Is because if you watch my video back then and you watch it now, you yourself, you should be able to see the difference, because back then it was all of story, irrelevant things. But one of the reasons why I am experiencing this kind of visibility I have today is me being able to work on my content constantly. And one of the comments I get most at time is because, oh, princess, it's a YouTube growth tutorial channel. Whatever thing I share with you guys on this channel, they are what I also apply on my faceless channel, on my lifestyle channel, and also on my new upcoming channel. So all these strategies, they actually work if and only if you apply it the right way, constantly trying to better your content. Another thing also you need to pay attention to, still work on your title and thumbnail. But if your title and thumbnail is actually fine, you are able to work on that one, then you see retention, you see your video hook, try to put much more energy in it. Okay, then another thing is your content focus. Do not do too many things on a particular channel. If you're doing it and you're not getting that visibility, or some videos perform very high and some perform less, try to focus on that one that is doing very well, because they are the one growing your audience. If you're having videos that are less performing on your channel from time to time, it actually sends signal to the algorithm, and it's also going to affect the performance of those your videos that are doing better. So what am I trying to say? Instead of doing too many things on one particular channel, the platform is actually big enough. Create more YouTube channel your energy into them, okay? But do not let them distract your focus from the main channel you are working on. Am I even making any sense? Then the next thing you need to also pay attention to is your posting time. See, I was telling one of my students some days ago, you might get the best posting time, you might have the best title and thumbnail, but if your hook is bad, if you're not getting that retention, you're still going to be having that low visibility. So all this whole thing, they work hand to hand, and for you to be able to perfect them, it requires constant uploading, just like the video IQ that we all are watching today. I was watching how he started. I was like, oh boy, I was like, man, this dude actually like suffered low visibility and a lot of other things. So they do not just happen overnight. Growth is gradually. For some of us that might maybe come up here and do what, just post, and in 2 months we monetize, we have built a strong audience already. That actually works for them. But some channels, some people here, some of the gurus we are watching today, Mr. Beast named them, the beginning was actually a struggle. So, but it was them constantly testing out new things, trying to better their content, that brought them to where they are today. So, have you seen that you still have much more work to do? And also, another thing you need to pay attention, they are simply what you do after uploading your videos. The minute I pick up my phone and post videos here, like any video on my channel, I do not just drop my phone and say, oh, I have posted it. There are a lot of things that I start doing immediately in order to boost that video visibility. And that is going to be my next video. So I don't want this particular one to be all that long. Just take this and start working on it, and maybe check out my channel for the next video on the title what you need to do as soon as, or what I personally do as soon as I upload my video, for me to be able to be getting the visibility that I have on my channel. There are just about 2 to 3 practical things which I don't think is all that common. Okay. So if you watch to this extent, thank you so much for watching. And also for the aspect of the hashtag, the last video I dropped is a guide, like step by step process on how to come up with the right hashtags that is going to actually bring your videos to limelight, that is going to actually bring that visibility on your content. So go ahead and check out that particular video on the hashtag, and you'll be glad you did so. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you all in my next video. So if you've not liked this video, please do well to like this video. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, do well to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.